How to fix OneDrive sync problem on Windows 10. If you're too experiencing OneDrive sync problem on your Windows 10 PC, try the methods below. Method 1, restart the OneDrive app. Method 2, check the file size in OneDrive. Hints: 1, Google and get more info OneDrive storage. 2, zip your file. In the meantime, check available storage. If you need to clean up or free some space, launch the Remove Files option under Storage's Temporary Files section. And Google more tips how to free up the disk space. Also, you may use the Get More Storage link. Method 3, reconnect OneDrive. Account. Method 4, reset OneDrive using command prompt, %localapp.a %Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset, as admin. Method 5, change folder. Hint: enable make all files available under choose folders. Method 6, enable don't limit option for upload rate and download rate in network. Method 8, disable your security app, temporarily. Method 9, disable any active proxy server. Note: disable use setup script.